Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a popular kitchen appliance, the Convection microwave oven. We'll discuss what it is, how it works, and why it's better than a regular microwave. So, let's get started. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share, and comment. A convection microwave oven is a combination of two cooking methods, microwave and convection. It uses microwaves to cook or heat the food, and convection to circulate hot air inside the oven. This combination of two methods makes the convection microwave oven a versatile appliance that can be used for a variety of cooking tasks. Now, let's compare a convection microwave oven to a regular microwave. A regular microwave uses microwaves to cook or heat the food by agitating the water molecules inside the food. This process generates heat, which cooks the food. However, a regular microwave does not have the ability to circulate hot air, which means the food may not cook evenly. On the other hand, a convection microwave oven can circulate hot air inside the oven, which ensures that the food cooks evenly. It also has a fan that helps to distribute the heat evenly, which means that the food can be cooked at a lower temperature and in less time. This not only saves time, but also reduces the energy consumption of the appliance. Another advantage of a convection microwave oven is that it can be used for a variety of cooking tasks, such as baking, grilling, and roasting. You can even use it to cook a whole chicken or turkey. The convection feature of the oven ensures that the food is cooked evenly from all sides, resulting in a perfectly cooked meal. A convection microwave oven is also a great option for people who have a busy lifestyle. It can be used to cook food quickly and easily, without compromising on taste or quality. You can even use it to make snacks like popcorn, which will be evenly cooked and perfectly crispy. Now, let's talk about the maintenance of a convection microwave oven. Like any other kitchen appliance, it's important to clean and maintain the oven regularly. You can use a damp cloth to clean the interior of the oven, and a mixture of baking soda and water to remove any stains or grease from the surface. Finally, let's talk about the safety of using a convection microwave oven. Like any other kitchen appliance, it's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions and safety guidelines while using the oven. It's also important to keep the oven out of the reach of children and pets. So, there you have it, a brief overview of what a convection microwave oven is, how it works, and why it's better than a regular microwave. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.